Welcome to this tutorial about the simple paper cut heart card. Take a sheet of white paper and fold a small part of it. Draw a half heart shape from the fold and cut it out with scissors. Then unfold the heart shape and check if you're happy with the result. If not, create more heart shapes and pick your favorite one. Fold the heart shape and use a pencil to draw lines inside the heart shape. You don't want the lines to touch the center of the heart to keep the paper cut effect. Carefully cut out the pencil lines with a craft knife. Put the heart shape on a sheet of red paper. Trace the heart shape, including the inner parts. First, cut out the outer heart shape from the red paper. After that, place the heart shape on a blank card and trace it. Now, take the heart shape and carefully cut out the pencil lines. Unfold the card. Cut out the heart shape and remove visible pencil traces. Take the red heart shape. Make sure you're facing the side which contains the pencil traces. Attach double-sided adhesive tape on the inner heart shape and then attach the heart shape to the card. You can move the heart paper cut layers a bit around to add more dimension to your card. Your card is ready now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Check out my other video tutorials and my blog for more card making inspiration.